Keep your spine straight, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. 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 Om Shri Ganesaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasthajanatalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Yovantah Pravishya Mama Vachamimam Prasuptam Sanjeevayatyakhilashakti-dhvara-swadhamna अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिरादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणम् कृष्णं नारायणं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे व्रजप्रियम् कृष्णं द्वैपायनं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे प्रथासुतम् सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः रमापतिपदां भोजपरिस्फुरति मानसम् सेनापतिमहं वन्दे विश्वक्सेनं निरन्तरम् प्रह्लादनारद पराशर पुण्डरीक व्यासम्बरीश शुक शौनक भीष्मदाल्भ्यान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुन वसिष्ठ विभीषणादीन् पुण्यानि मान् परमभागवतान् स्मरामि ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतः चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृतां यथा विनिमयः यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमः निर्मत्सराणां सताम् वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यस्वानुभावमखिलश्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपमतितितीर्षतान्तमोऽन्धम् संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यम् तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः नमः पङ्कजनाभाय नमः पङ्कजमालिने नमः पङ्कजनेत्राय नमस्ते पङ्कजाङ्घ्रये यस्य भगवताख्या सर्वेषां भक्तिदानृणां स एव करुणा सिन्धुः बोधितात्मा गुरुर्मम तस्मै श्रीवासुदेवाय धरणीसुररूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय तुभ्यं श्रीगुरवे नमः शङ्खचक्रगदा पद्मधारिणे गुरुरूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय वासुदेवाय ते नमः संसारसागरे मग्नं दीनं मां करुणानिधे कर्मग्राहगृहीताङ्गं मामुद्धर भवार्णवात् श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यः दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूपप्रबोधज्ञ सर्वशास्त्रविशारद एतत्कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खं कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासम् वातालयेश मनिषं हृदि भावयामि वातालयेश मनिषं हृदि भावयामि. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran session. We are in the second canto. We have started with seventh chapter. We've finished with meaning up till 25 verses. We have seen the pronunciations from 26 to 36 last week, but haven't seen the meaning. So let's first do the meaning from 26th verse onwards till 36. Then I will chant those verses. Then we will begin the fresh shlokas for today. Okay. So the translation of 26th verse onwards in order to relieve. I hope you all are there. Got it? In order to relieve the oppression of the earth, which will be overrun by the armies of kings who are secondary incarnations of demons, the Lord will be partially born as Balaram and Shri Krishna. So we remember we have been marking the numbers. So now this Krishna and Balaram will get number what? 21 and 22?
Yes.
Yeah?
21 and
Okay.
20.
So please underline there and mark it over there. Representing severally a gray and a dark hair of the deity. In these forms, he will perform feats bearing testimony to his greatness, even though his ways are beyond the comprehension of the common people. To suck out the life of the demoness Ullukika, Putana, even as a newborn baby of less than 10 days, to turn a cart upside down with his foot while yet 3 months old, and to knock down two very high Arjuna trees while crawling on his hands and knees between them, all these feats are such as cannot be conceived to have been performed by anyone else than the Lord himself. So here we get almost the age of the Lord when the Leela has been done. So that's why Bhagavad Puran brings out the clarity. Living in Vraja, he will bring back to light the cattle of Vraja as well as their keepers who meet their death by drinking the poisonous water of the Yamuna by casting his gracious look at them. And further, in order to purify the waters of the Yamuna, he will sport in that river and expel the serpent Kalia, whose tongue is ever restless due to the vehemence of the fierce poison. The same night, when the dry forest of rushes surrounding them all sides begins to be consumed by wildfire, and the entire Braja is dead asleep on the bank of the Yamuna, that Lord of incomprehensible power with Balram will ask them to close their eyes and save them from certain death. This exploit of the Lord will be indeed supernatural. Every cord that his mother Yashoda catches hold of to bind her child will prove inadequate. Nay, when the cowherd lady Yashoda beholds the 14 spears in his mouth, even as he yawns, she will at first be filled with dismay, and then she will be roused to a sense of his supreme divinity. Again, he will. So that the first example was of that Damodar, and second is that Vishwarup Darshan. He will rid his father Nanda of fear of the python and deliver him from Varuna's noose, and will further rescue the cowherd boys that will be shut up in caves by the demon Vyoma, Maya's son. Nay, he will take to his own eternal blissful abode Vaikuntha, the people of Gokula, even though they remain working all day long due to overexertion, sleep as a log at night. When, on the yearly sacrificial offering to Indra, being stopped by the cowherd Nanda and others, the god of rain will pour down torrential showers all over the territory of Raja for the destruction of that land. The Lord, in his anxiety to protect them as well as the cattle, will at the tender age of 7, see, underline all this, graciously and sportfully hold up his untiring hand Mount Govardhana, even as a tall mushroom for 7 days consecutively, while sporting in the groves of Vrindavan. On a night bright with the rays of the full moon, he will, as a prelude to his rasa dance, pour out from his flute a sweet and a prolonged melody which will kindle the flame of love in the heart of the young cowherdesses and cowherdesses and draw them to this lovely spot. In course of the rasa dance that follows, an attendant of Kubera, Shankachuda by name, will carry them off, and the Lord, while rescuing them, will sever his head. Nay, demons like Pralamba, Dhenuka, who lived in the form of donkey, Vaka, Keshi, and Arishta, champion wrestlers such as Chanura, the elephant Kuvalayapida, Kamsa, the Yamana hero, Kalayavana, the demon Naraka, born of earth, Paundraka, who had assumed the false appearance of Sri Krishna and posed as the real Sri Krishna, and so on. Even so, other champions like Salva, Dvivida, the monkey chief, Balbala, Dantavakra, the 7 bulls of King Nagnajit, the demon Sambara, King Viduratha, Dantavakra's brother, brother of Rukmini, the kings of the Kambojas, the Matsyas, the Kurus, the Kekayas, the Srinjayas, and other bragging warriors who will appear on the field of battle armed with a bow will be slain by Sri Hari himself under the assumed names of Balaram, Arjuna, Bhima, and so on, and attain to his divine abode. So again, see, Arjuna, Bhima, they are all, Amshavtaras of the Lord over here, it is saying. By flux of time, the intellectual caliber of men gets dwarfed and their life too becomes short. When, therefore, the Lord realizes that the import of the entire Veda, which embodies his teachings, can no longer be grasped by them, he manifests himself in every cycle through the womb of Satyavati as Veda Vyasa and splits up the tree of Veda into many branches. So Vyasji is also Krishnavatara. So we can underline Vyasji and we can give a number over there, 23. Let's read the verses. Bhume suretaravaruth vimarditayaha klesha.
Sorry.
नो प्रॉब्लम। क्लेश व्ययाय कलयासित कृष्ण केशः जातः करिष्यति जनानुपलक्ष्य मार्गः कर्माणि चात्ममहिमोपनिबन्धनानि तोकेन जीवहरणै यदुलूकिकायाः त्रैमासिकस्य च पदाशकटोपवृत्तः यद्रिङ्गतानन्तरगतेन दिवि स्पृशोर्वा उन्मूलनं पितरथार्जुनयोर्न भाव्यम् यद्वै व्रजे व्रजपशून् विशतोऽयपीठान् कालां स्वजीवयदनुग्रहदृष्टिवृष्ट्या तच्छुद्धयेति विषवीर्यविलोलजिह्वम् उच्चाटयिष्यदुरगं विहरन् हृदिन्याम् तत्कर्म दिव्यमिव यन्निशि निश्शयानम् दावाग्निना शुचिवने परिदह्यमाने उन्नेष्यति व्रजमतो वसितान्तकालम् नेत्रे पिधाय सबलो नधिगम्य वीर्यः गृह्णीत यद्युपवन् गृह्णीत यद्यदुपबन्धममुष्य माता शुल्बं सुतस्य न तु तद्दत्मु सुतस्य न तु तत्तदमुष्यमाति यजृम्भतोऽस्य वदने भुवनानि गोपी संवीक्ष्य शङ्कितमनाः प्रतिबोधितासीत् नन्दं च मोक्षति भयाद्वरुणस्य पाशात् गोपान् बिलेषु पिहितान्मयसूनुना च अज्ञापृतं निशिशयानमतिश्रमेण लोकं विकुण्ठमुपनेष्यति गोकुलं स्म गोपैर्मखे प्रतिहते व्रज विप्लवाय देवेऽभिवर्षति पशून् कृपयारिरक्षुः धर्तोच्छिलीन्ध्रमिव 7 दिनानि 7 वर्षो महीध्रमनघैगकरे सलीलम् क्रीडन् वने निशिनिशाकररश्मिगौर्याम् रासोन्मुखः कलपदायत मूर्छितेन उद्दीपितस्मररुजां व्रजभृद्वधूनाम् हर्तुर्हरिष्यति शिरोधनदानुगस्य ये च शाल्वकपिल ये च शाल्वकपिबल्वलदन्तवक्त्र सप्तोक्षशम्बर विदूरथ रुक्मिमुख्याः ये वामृधे समितिशालिन आत्तचापाः काम्बोजमत्स्य कुरु कैकयसृञ्जयाद्याः यास्यन्त्यदर्शनमलं बलपार्थ भीमव्याजाह्वयेन हरिणा निलयन्तदीयम् कालेन मीलितधियामनवृ कालेन मीलितधियामवमृश्य नृणाम् स्तोकायुषां स्वनिगमो बत दूरपारः आविर्हितस्त्वनुयुगं स हि सत्यवत्याम् वेदद्रुमं विटपशो विभजिष्यति स्म. So we have done till here. Last time, Nikhila ji, did you get lesser verses? And we said we'll continue from this week.
Yes, yes, Varshashi.
Yes. And who else was there with you who got lesser verses?
No,
And
I
we
was
tried.
the last one to
Okay.
volunteer last week.
So we'll continue from you. And those who want to volunteer, please raise your hands. We'll take it from there. Okay. So number 37. देवद्विषां निगमवर्त्मनि निष्ठितानाम्
देवद्विषान्निगमवर्त्मनि निष्ठितानाम्
पूर्भिर्मयेन विहिताभिरदृश्यतूर्भिः
पूर्भिर्महेन विहिताभिरदृश्यतुर्भिः
लोकाघ्नतामतिविमोहमतिप्रलोभम्
लोकाज्ञतां मतिविमोहमतिप्रलोभम्
वेषं विधाय बहुभाष्यत औपधर्म्यम्
वेषं विधाय बहुभाष्यत औपधर्म्यम्
यर्ह्यालयेष्वपि सतान्न हरेः कथा स्युः।
यर्हाल्य यर्हाल्ययेष्वपि सतान्
यर्ह्या
य-
हन्य
यर्ह्यालयेष्वपि सतान्न हरेः कथा स्युः।
पाखण्डिनो द्विजजना वृषलानृदेवाः।
पाखण्डिनो द्विजजना वृषला नृदेवाः।
स्वाहा स्वधा वषडिति स्म गिरो न यत्र।
स्वाहा स्वधा विषडिति स्वाहा स्वधा विषडिति स्म गिरो
वशे
न
वषट् सो वषट् इति।
करेक्ट। स्वाहा स्वधा वषडिति स्म गिरो न यत्र।
शास्ता भविष्यति कलेर्भगवान् युगान्ते।
शास्ता भविष्यति कलेर्भगवान् युगान्ते। देवद्विषान्निगमवर्त्मनि निष्ठितानां पूर्भिर्मयेन विहिताभिरदृश्यमूर्ति दृश्यतुर्भिः लोकान्यतान्मतिविमोहमतिप्रलोभम् वेषौ विधाय बहुभाष्यति औपधर्म्यम्। यर्हाल् यर् यर्ह्यालयेष्वपि सतान्न हरेः कथा स्युः। फा पाखण्डिनो द्विजजना वृषला नृदेवाः। स्वाहा स्वधा वषडिति स्म गिरो न यत्र। शास्ता भविष्यति कलेर्भगवान् युगान्ते।
Canto 2, 7th chapter, 37th verse. Lakshmi ji. When the demons, the enemies of the gods, though devoted to the path of the Vedas, will destroy the people with the aerial citadels of invisible velocity built by Maya, their architect, the Lord will assume a guard that will delude their mind and prove most alluring to them and teach them many a hearsay. At the close of the Kali age, when there will be no discourses on Sri Hari, even in the residences of pious souls, when the twice born, the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas, and the Vaishyas will turn heretics and the Shudras will become the rulers of men. Nay, when the uttering of Swaha, Swadha, and Vashat will be heard no more, when there will be no talk of sacrifices to gods, of offerings, oblations to the maids, the Lord will appear as Kalki, the punisher of Kali. Yeah, no, we see the glimpses, right? How people who are not educated take the education board. There is a reservation system in the teaching profession. The college teachers have to be of the reserved categories. They don't even know what to say and how to pronounce. They've become the teachers. Tirupati, if you see the board, it's the non-Hindus on that board. We are seeing all these glimpses, and it's going to get worse. At least now temples are there, somebody is chanting, somebody is happening. But as the time, as we get deeper into Kali Yuga, all this is not going to be there. There won't be any katha of Sri Hari. Just imagine that. There's going to be that. It's been predicted over there. And when like this, when there is no dharma left, Lord is going to come as Kalki. That would be the 10th Avtara. And then it would dissolve and the Kali Yuga would finish and then again the cycle goes up. How many such cycles? Many. Anadi. From when did it start? Anadi. Many before yugas have got. And that's why Lord said, in each yuga at that time becomes a vyasa to divide and give it to the people. Again, this cycle would keep on going. देवद्विषान्निगमवर्त्मनि निष्ठितानाम् ऊर्भिर्मयेन विहिताभिरदृश्यतुर्भिः लोकाङ्घतामतिविमोहमपत् व्यमतिविमोहमतिप्रलोभम् वेषं विधाय बहुभाष्यत औपधर्म्यम् यर्ह्यालयेष्वपि सतान्न हरेः कथा स्युः पाखण्डिनो द्विजजना वृषला नृदेवाः स्वाहा स्वधा वषडिति स्म गिरो न यत्र शास्ता भविष्यति कलेर्भगवान् युगान्ते. While reading, I just remembered 30 years. No, it's more than 30 years. 91. So it's almost 34 years ago. Okay. 34 years ago, I was doing this Ayurveda course. So at that time, okay. So all Ayurveda is in Sanskrit. And because of this reservation thing, there were some teachers who cannot read also Sanskrit line. And they would not insist that we should learn Sanskrit. And they would say it is okay, it is not useful in your practice, you don't read it. So the Shastra itself was not taught. And modern books were taught. And in the oral exams, if we will quote, like there were very few like me who would like the Shastra and like the Sanskrit line. Ah, you come next year, okay? So the examiner would make fun of you if you will quote Sanskrit. If you quote modern, there is a pride, you will pass. And if you quote Ayurvedic verses in an Ayurveda course, I'm not in an MBBS course. So it was not encouraged to learn Shastra. It was not encouraged to learn Sanskrit. And who learned Sanskrit were made fun of. In a class of 60, I was the only one who had promised that I will not practice modern, I'll do Ayurveda. Because in Maharashtra, we can do both. So my surgery teacher would call out, single out me in the class and make fun of me. Kai Satik kasat challay. So Satik means who would read the Tika. So Charaka Samhita to read itself is a big thing in Sanskrit. And then I would join to read a Tika is the bhashya of that. And I was made fun in the class and I was singled out in the class. And I'm talking 34 years ago. So my surgery sir made fun of me. And every time for the oral exam, I was mocked. And today in this class, and before we could pass out, finish the internship, my classmates had their hospitals set up, branches, modern hospitals, because it was legal in Maharashtra. And they had this plan that if a patient comes, if you put so much drip to so much thing, you will get so much money and you would have your this and this much bed if you feel fill. So I'm talking again 34 years ago story I'm talking. And I had no, I said I have to study more and I had come down south that this won't work for me. How an Ayurveda hospital is run, I need to see. And that's how I came down from Pune. And after when I came back down, I've never gone back and stayed in Pune thereafter. So the thing is, Shastra is not in the point where Bhagwan is telling like how the Shudras will rule and Shastras will not. So I have seen the glimpse 34 years ago. Now so much syllabus has changed and they say it's not practical use of the Shastra. Means they do not know, so they are claiming there is no use of the Shastra. I'm talking of Ayurveda Shastra. So they think only modern that is being taught over there. So this is my own experience with the material world. Huh? Leave aside now the Vedanta aspect and all. This is the Ayurveda, the Sharir Shastra itself people found useless. What about the other Shastras? Okay. सर्गे तपोहमृषयो न वये प्रजेशाः
सर्गे तपोः
Yeah, I
सर्गे
know. Mm.
सर्गे तपोहमृषयो न वये प्रजेशाः
स्थाने च धर्ममखमन्वमरावनीशाः
स्थाने च धर्ममखमन्मवमरावनीशाः
अन्ते त्वधर्महरमन्युवशासुराद्याः
अन्ते त्वधर्महरमन्युवशासुराद्याः
मायाविभूतय इमाः पुरुशक्तिभाजः
मायाविभूतयमिमाः पुरशक्तिभाजः
विष्णोर्नुवीर्यगणनाङ्कतमोऽर्हतीह
मोर्हतीह
यः पार्थिवान्यपि कविर्विममे रजांसि
यः पार्थिवान्यपि कविर्विममो रजांसि
कविर्विममे
यः पार्थिवान्यपि कविर्विममे रजांसि
च स्कम्भयस्वरहंसास्खलता त्रिपृष्ठम्
चस्कं
अह च
चस्कम्भयस्
स्कम्भयस्वरौ हसास्खलता त्रिपृष्ठम्
चस्कम्भयस्वर स्वरौ हस स्वरौ हसास्खलता त्रिपृष्ठम्
यस्मात्त्रिसाम्य सदनादुरुकम्पयानम्
यस्मात्त्रिसाम्य सदनादुरुकम्पयानम्
नान्तं विदाम्यहमनीमुनयोऽग्रजास्ते
नान्तां द्विधाम्यहममी मन्नयोऽग्रजास्ते
मायाबलस्य पुरुषस्य कुतो परेये
मायाबलस्य पुरुषस्य कुतो परेये
गायन् गुणान् दशशतानन आदिदेवः
गायन् गुणान् गायन् गुणान् दशशातनतादिदेवः
दशशतानन
दशशताननादिदेवः
शेषोऽधुनापि समवस्यति नास्य पारम्
शेषोऽधुनापि सम शेषोऽधुनापि समवस्यति नास्य पारम् सर्गे तपोहमृषयो न वये प्रजेशाः स्थाने च धर्ममखमन्वमरावनीशः नीशाः अन्ते त्वधर्महरमन्युवशासुराद्याः मायाविभूतय इमाः पुरशक्तिभाजः विष्णोर्नुवीर्यगणनाङ्कतमोऽर्हतीह यः पार्थिवान्यपि कविर्विममो रजांसि स्वरौ स्वरौ हसास्खलता त्रिपृष्ठम् यस्मात्त्रिसाम्य सददा यस्मात्त्रिसाम्य सदनादुरुकम्पयानम् नान्ता नान्तौ विदाम्यहममी मुनयोऽग्रजास्ते मायाबलस्य पुरुषस्य कुतो परेये गायन् गुणान् दशशतानन आदिदेवः शेषोऽधुनापि शेषोऽधुनापि समवस्यति नास्य पारम्
Thank you, Shivaji. Rajamma. Number 42. Audible?
Yes, madam.
You call me Varsha, please, ma. Okay. Number 42.
Yes.
Yes. Just call me Varsha. येषां स एव भगवान् दययेदनन्तः
येषां स एव भगवान् दययेदनन्तः
सर्वात्मनाश्रितपदो यदि निर्व्यलीकम्
सर्वात्मनाश्रितपदो यदि निर्व्यलीकम्
ते दुस्तरामतितरन्ति च देवमायाम्
ते दुस्तरामतितरन्ति च देवमायाम्
नैषा ममाहमिति भीष्वशृगाल भक्ष्ये
नैषां ममाहमिति धीस्वशृगालभक्ष्ये
वेदाहमङ्गपरमस्य हि योगमायाम्
वेदाहमङ्गपरमस्य हि योगमायाम्
यूयं भवश्च भगवानथ दैत्यवर्यः
यूयं भवश्च भगवानथ दैत्यवर्यः
पत्नीमनो स च मनुश्च तदात्मजाश्च
पत्नीमनोः स च मनुश्च तदात्मजाश्च
प्राचीनबर्हिर्भुरङ्ग उत ध्रुवश्च
प्राचीनबर्हिरुभुरङ्गभूतध्रुवश्च
इक्ष्वाकुरैलमुचुकन्दविदेहगाधिरध्वम्बरीशसगरा गयनाहुषाद्याः. So these are avtaras. Ikshvaku Raila Aila Ikshvaku Aila Muchukanda Videha
विदेह
Gathi Raghu
रघु
Ambarisha
अम्बरीष
Sagara Gaya
सगय
Nahusha Adya.
नाहुष got it इक्ष्वाकुरैलमुचुकुन्दविदेहगाधि रघ्वम्बरीश सगरागयनाहुषाद्याः
Very good. Mandhatralर्कशतधन्वनुरन्ति देवाः
मान्धात्रलर्कशतधन्वनुरन्ति देवाः
देवव्रतो बलिरमूर्तरयो दिलीपः
देवव्रतो बलिरमूर्तरयो दिलीपः
सौभर्युतङ्कशिबिदेवलपिप्पलाद सारस्वतोद्धव पराशर भूरिषेणाः
सौभर्युतङ्कशिबिदेवलपिप्पलादः सारस्वतोद्धव पराशरभूरिषेणाः
Excellent. येन्ये विभीषण हनूमदुपेन्द्र दत्त पार्थार्ष्ट्रिशेण विदुरश्रुत देववर्याः
येन्ये विभीषण हनुमदुपेन्द्रदत्त पार्थार्ष्ट and Shah
पार्थार्ष्टि
पार्थाष्टिशेन विदुरश्रुतदेववर्याः
These four.
So,
No problem.
okay.
These four.
Four, okay.
Yeah, four.
येषां स एव भगवान् दययेदनन्तः सर्वात्मनाश्रितपदो यदनिर्व्यलीकम् ते दुस्तरामतितरन्ति च देवमायाम् नैषां ममाहमतिथीष्वशृगालभक्ष्ये वेदाहमङ्गपरमस्य हि योगमायाम् यूयं भवश्च भगवानथ दैत्यवर्यः पत्नीमनोः स च मनुश्च तदात्मजाश्च प्राचीनबर्हिरुभुरङ्गवुतध्रुवश्च इक्ष्वाकुरैलमुचुकुन्द विदेहगाधिरघ्वम्बरीशव सगरागयनाहुषाध्याः मान्धात्रलर्कशतधन्वनुरन्ति देवाः देवव्रतो बलिरमूत्तरयो दिलीपः साभ्यारुतङ्कशिबिदेवलपिप्पलाद सारस्वतोद्धव पराशर भूरिशेनाः येन्ये विभीषण हनुमदुपेन्द्रदत्त पार्थाष्टिशेन विदुरश्रुतदेववर्याः
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Next for Radha Krishna issue. ते वै विदन्त्यतितरन्ति च देवमायाम्
ते वै विदिन्त्यति तरन्ति च देवमायाम्
स्त्रीशूद्रहूणशबरा अपि पापजीवाः
स्त्रीशूद्रहूणशबरा विपापजीवाः
यद्यद्भुतक्रमपरायणशीलशिक्षाः
यद्यद्भुतक्रमपरायणशीलशिक्षाः
तिर्यग्जनापि किमुश्रितधारणाये
तिर्यक्जना अपि किमुश्रुतधारणाये
शश्वत्प्रशान्तमभयं प्रतिबोधमात्रम्
शश्वत्प्रशान्तमभयं प्रतिबोधमात्रम्
शुद्धं समं सदसतः परमात्मतत्त्वम्
शुद्धं समं सदसदस्परमात्मतत्त्वम्
शब्दो न यत्र पुरुकारकवान् क्रियार्थः
शब्दो न यत्र पुरुकारकवान् कियार्थः
मायापरैत्यभिमुखे च विलज्जमाना
मायापरैत्यभिमुखे च विलज्जमाना
तद्वै पदं भगवतः परमस्य पुंसः
तद्वै पदं भगवतः परमस्य पुंसः
ब्रह्मेति यद्विदुरजस्रसुखं विशोकम्
ब्रह्मेदि यद्विदुरजस्रमुक् विशोकम्
सध्र्यङ्नियम्य यतयो यमकर्तहेतिम्
नियम्य यतयो कर्तहेतिम्
करेक्ट् जह्युस्वराडिव निपानखति सारी जह्युस्वराडिव निपानखनिप्रमिन्द्रः
जह्युस्वराटिव निपानखनित्रविन्द्रः
स श्रेयसामपि विभुर्भगवान् यतोऽस्य
सश्रेयसाममि विभुर्भगवान् यतोऽस्य
करेक्ट् भावस्वभावविहितस्य सतः प्रसिद्धिः
भावस्वभी
भावस्वभावविहितस्य सतः प्रसिद्धिः
भावस्वभावविहितस्य सतः प्रसिद्धिः
देहे स्वधातुविगमेनुविशीर्यमाणे
देहे स्वधातुविगमेनुविशीर्यमाणे
व्योमेव तत्र पुरुषो न विशीर्यतेजः
व्योमेव तत्र पुरुषो न विशीर्यतेजः
Yeah, these four.
ते वै वितन्त्यतिरन्ति च देवमायाम् स्त्रीशूद्रहूणशबरा अभिपापजीवाः यद्यद्भुतक्रमपरायणशीलशिक्षाः तिर्यग्जना अपि धारणाये शश्वत्प्रशान्तमभयं प्रतिबोधमात्रं शुद्धं समं सदसदः परमात्मतत्त्वम् शब्दो न यत्र पुरुकारकवान् कियार्थः sorry. शब्दो न यत्र पुरुकारकवान् क्रियार्थः मायापरैत्यभिमुखे च विलज्जमाना तद्वै पदं भगवतः परमस्य पुंसः ब्रह्मेदि यद्विदुरजस्रमुखं विशोकम्
Sukham.
ब्रह्मेदि यद्विदुरजस्रसुखं विशोकम्
Not sun. Sadhryang.
सद्रङ्नियस्य यतयोऽयं
Niyamya. Sadhryang niyamya.
What
Not
is it?
sun. Sadhryang.
सद्रङ्नियम्य यतयोऽयमकर्तहेतिं जह्युस्वराटिव निपानक
Kanitramindraha.
जह्युस्वराटिव निपानकनित्रमिन्द्रः सश्रेयसामपि विभुर्भगवान् यतोऽस्य भावस्वभावविहितस्य सदः प्रसिद्धिः देहे स्वधातुविगमेऽनुविशीर्यमाणे व्योमेव तत्र पुरुषो न विशीर्यतेजः.
Thank you. Thank you. It is the same Lord of infinite powers who manifests the glories of his Maya, marvelous creative faculty, in the form of austere penance, myself Brahma, and the 9 seers who are the lords of created beings at the time of creation, in the form of Dharma, the god of virtue, Lord Vishnu, the deity presiding over sacrifices, the 14 Manus, the progenitors and protectors of mankind, the immortals and the rulers of the earth, at the time of preservation, and in the form of Adharma, the spirit of unrighteousness, Hara, the god of destruction, the class of serpents residing in the nethermost regions, known by the name of Manuvashas, and demons, etc., at the time of dissolution of the universe. What man, gifted with insight in this world, could catalogue the powers of Lord Vishnu, even though he might have counted all the particles of dust on the earth? As the Lord proceeded to measure the 3 worlds with his strides, he raised his leg with such irresistible force that the whole universe, from the outermost sheath of Prakriti, primordial matter, to the highest heaven, Satyaloka, began to shake violently when he supported it by his own might. O Narada, neither myself nor those elder brothers of yours, Sanaka and others, know the whole truth about the Lord, who is a storehouse of innumerable potencies. Maya, who brings forth and withdraws into herself the entire creation, being one of them. How then could others know it? Even the primal deity, Lord Shesha, the serpent god, who is possessed of 1,000 mouths, cannot reach his end even to this day, though he has been singing his praises from eternity. They alone are able to cross the Lord's Maya, deluding potency, so difficult to get over, and know it in reality, to whom that infinite Lord extends his grace, which is possible only when they take refuge in his feet with their whole being and in a guileless manner. And it is these alone who cease to look upon their body, which is the food of dogs and jackals, as they self or as their own. Dear Narada, it is I who know the wonderful creative energy of that Supreme Being, and so do you and your elder brothers, Sanaka and others. Lord Bhava, Shiva, Prahlada, the foremost of the Daityas, the celebrated Swayambhu Manu, and his wife Shatarupa, as well as their sons and daughters, King Prachina Barhi, Rubhu, Anga, and Dhruva. Even so, kings Ikshwaku, the eldest son of Vaisvatamanu, Pururava, the son of Ela, Muchukunda, Videha, that is Janaka, Gadhi, the father of celebrated sage Vishwamitra, Raghu, Ambarisha, Sagara, Gaya, Yayati, the son of Nahusha, and others, and similarly kings Mandhata, Alarka, Shatadhanu, Anu, and Rantideva, Devaprata, that is Bhishma, the demon king Bali, as well as kings Amurtaraya and Dilipa, the sages Saubhari, Uttanaka, Devala, Pippalada, Sarasvata, Parashara, as well as kings Shibi and Bhuri Sena, and devotees like Uddhava, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Upendra Datta, Shuka, Arjuna, Artishena, Vidura, and Shrutadeva know his Maya. What a list of people ranging from human beings to the sages to the devas, and so all that order, everything is covered. All those have experienced his vibhuti. And we won't be able to even fathom this. That even Shesha is unable to see the Lord completely. Lord is sitting on the Shesha, but Shesha is not able to see even the bottom, it seems. Women and Shudras, members of the laboring and artisan classes, as well as the Hunas and Shabaras, and those leading a sinful life, nay, even lower animals such as birds and bees who have been caught to imbibe the virtues of the Lord's devotees, much more those who follow the teachings of the Vedas, are able to realize the true nature of the Lord's Maya and cross the same. So, we are not completely hopeless. There is a chance for us. Well, I think we'll have to take effort towards that direction. The substance of the Supreme Spirit is ever most serene and free from the fear and of the nature of absolute consciousness. It is untainted by Maya and destitute of all diversities, and is beyond the real as well as the unreal. It is beyond the reach of words, both sacred and profane, and transcends the fruit of actions, which is attained as a result of diverse force of discipline. Nay, even Maya, who is ashamed to stand before, flees away from its presence. That is the essential character of the Lord, the Supreme Person, which the wise realize as Brahman, the Absolute, which is free from sorrow and of the nature of eternal bliss. Having fixed their mind on Him, ascetics neglect even the means of discarding the notion of difference, that is self-knowledge, just as Indra, being himself the god of rain, has no use for a spade which is employed in digging wells. Khanitra, that word was in a khanitra, to dig. It is the Lord again who bestows on a man the fruit of his actions, for it is He who inspires all noble acts that are performed in accordance with the natural disposition of the doer. Even when the body gets dissolved as a result of its constituents in the form of the elements being disintegrated, the unborn spirit dwelling in it does not, any more than ether interpenetrating it. Sarge tapoham ऋषयो नवये प्रजेशाः स्थाने च धर्ममखमन्वमरावनीशाः अन्ते त्वधर्महरमन्युवशासुराद्याः माया विभूतयैमाः पुरुषक्तिभाजः विष्णोर्नवीर्यगणनाङ्कतमोऽर्हतीह यः पार्थिवान्यपि कविर्विममे रजांसि च स्कम्भयस्वरंहसा स्खलता त्रिपृष्ठम् यस्मात्रिसाम्य सदनादुरुकम्पयानम् नान्तम् विदाम्यहममी मुनयोऽग्रजास्ते मायाबलस्य पुरुषस्य कुतो परेये गायन् गुणान् दशशतानन आदिदेवः शेषोऽधुनापि समवस्यति नास्य पारम् येषां स एव भगवान् दययेदनन्तः सर्वात्मनाश्रितपदो यदि निर्व्यलीकम् ते दुस्तरामतितरन्ति च देवमाया नैषां ममाहमिति भीष्वशृगालभक्ष्ये वेदाहमङ्गपरमस्य हि योगमायाम् यूयम् भवश्च भगवानथ दैत्यवर्यः पत्नी मनोस च मनुश्च तदात्मजाश्च प्राचीनबर्हिर्भुरङ्ग उत ध्रुवश्च इक्ष्वाकुरैलमुचुकुन्द विदेहगाधिग्रध्वम्बरीश सगरागयनाहुषाद्याः मां धात्रलर्कशतधन्वनुरन्ति देवाः देवव्रतो बलिरमूर्तरयो दिलीपः सौभर्यतङ्कशिबिदेवलपिप्पलाद सारस्वतोद्धव पराशर भूरिषेणाः येन्ये विभीषण हनुमदुपेन्द्र तद्दत्त पार्थार्ष्टिषेण विदुरश्रुतदेववर्याः ते वै विदन्त्यतितरन्ति च देवमायाम् स्त्रीशूद्रहूणशबरापि पापजीवाः यद्यद्भुतक्रमपरायणशीलशिक्षाः तिर्यग्जनापि किमुश्रुतधारणाये शश्वत्प्रशान्तमभयम् प्रतिबोधमात्रम् शुद्धं समं सदसतः परमात्मतत्त्वम् शब्दो न यत्र पुरुकारकवान् क्रियार्थः मायापरैत्यभिमुखे च विलज्जमाना तद्वै पदं भगवतः परमस्य पुंसः ब्रह्मेति यद्विदुरजस्रसुखं विशोकम् सध्र्यं नियम्य यतयो यमकर्त हेतिम् जह्युस्वराडिव निपानखं नित्रमिन्द्रः सश्रेयसामपि विभुर्भगवान् यतोऽस्य भावस्वभावविहितस्य सतः प्रसिद्धिः देहे स्वधातु विगमेऽनुविशीर्यमाणे व्योमेव तत्र पुरुषो न विशीर्यतेजः. Last four. Sajiv ji, time is up, but we will complete it before the daily puja. So, oops, what did I do? Yeah. सोयन्ते विहितस्तात
सोऽयं ते भिहितस्तात
भगवान् विश्वभावनः
भगवान् विश्वभावनः
समासेन हरेर्नान्यत्. So ending.
समासेन हरेर्नान्यत्
अन्यस्मात् सदसच्चयत्
अन्यस्मात् सदसच्चयत्
इदं भागवतं नाम
इदं भागवतं नाम
यन्मे भगवतोदितम्
यन्मे भगवतोदितम्
संग्रहोऽयं विभूतीनाम्
संग्रहोऽयं विभूतीनाम् त्वमेतद्विपुलीकुरु
यथा हरौ भगवती नृणां भक्तिर्भविष्यति सर्वात्मन्यखिलाधारे इति संकल्प्य वर्णय मायां वर्णयतो मुष्य ईश्वरस्यानुमोदतः शृण्वतः श्रद्धया नित्यम् माययात्मानमुह्यति ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां द्वितीयस्कन्धे
द्वितीयस्कन्धे
ब्रह्मनारदसंवादे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
ब्रह्मनारदसंवादे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत् सोऽयन्ते भिहितस्तात भगवान् विश्वभावनः समासेन हरेर्नान्यत् अन्यस्मात् सदसच्चयत् इदं भागवतन्नाम यन्मे भगवतोदितं सङ्ग्रहोऽयं विभूतीनां त्वमेतद्विपुलीकुरु यथा हरौ भगवति नृणां भक्तिर्भविष्यति सर्वात्मन्यखिलाधारे इति सङ्कल्प्य वर्णय मायां वर्णयतो मुष्य ईश्वरस्यानुमोदतः शृण्वतः श्रद्धया नित्यं माययात्मानमुह्यति ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां द्वितीयस्कन्धे ब्रह्मनारदसंवादे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत्।
Thank you, Sajilji. Thus, have I talked to you in brief, dear child, about the Lord who creates the universe by his very thought. Whatever there exists as cause or effect is no other than Sri Hari, although the latter stands even far apart from it. This is the Bhagavata, which the Lord was pleased to teach me. It describes in brief the glories of the Lord. Do you now expand it? Proceed with this work of amplification with a will that men may develop devotion to Lord Sri Hari, the universal spirit and the sustainer of all. The mind of the man who proceeds to describe the Lord's Maya or approves of another describing it or reverently hears it described every day is never deluded by Maya. Thus ends the seventh discourse in the book 2, comprising, among other things, the dialogue between Brahma and the sage Narada of the great and the glorious Bhagavad Purana, otherwise known as the Paramahamsa Samhita. सोऽयन्ते भिहितस्तात भगवान् विश्वभावनः समासेन हरेर्नान्यत् अन्यस्मात् सदसच्चयत् इदं भागवतन्नाम यन्मे भगवतोदितं सङ्ग्रहोऽयं विभूतीनां त्वमेतद्विपुलीकुरु यथा हरौ भगवति नृणां भक्तिर्भविष्यति सर्वात्मन्यखिलाधारे इति सङ्कल्प्य वर्णय मायां वर्णयतो मुष्य ईश्वरस्यानुमोदतः शृण्वतः श्रद्धया नित्यं माययात्मानमुह्यति ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां द्वितीयस्कन्धे ब्रह्मनारदसंवादे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत्। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With His immense kripa, we have completed this chapter finally. We have got 3 more chapters to go to complete this this canto itself. Next week, easily we'll complete the 8th chapter and we'll enter 9th chapter and keep maybe few shlokas. And thereafter, so probably in July month, we should complete this. So like last time, we'll have to do the canto revision and we can distribute. We'll see how many people want to do. I'll open the group and like last time, we'll distribute the chapters so people can begin to prepare it and come prepared in such a way that you need to share it in the group, the notes, so that it will be there. So when we have to study one chapter, it's easier rather than the entire canto. So it would be like a very give and take. So we'll do it like that. And so July month, we are completing. This is how I'm seeing the second canto thing. And we'll end up With His grace, the third canto. August first week, I have a wedding to attend. I'll be gone for a while. This time it is in Andhra Pradesh. I may go for 5 days or something. August first week. But apart from that, everything is fine. Till November. November, there's one more wedding. Okay. So let's end this session and I'll open the group. We can start voluntary and so that we can assign the chapters. So those who have the earlier chapters can begin preparing and those who have the later chapters, you will be alert while, so you can start marking when you are studying it itself. So it would be both those competition. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. It is immense kripa. We have completed this sentence. Thank you everyone for joining. See you all next week and we complete the 8th chapter also.
Hari Om. Thank you,
Hari Om.
Varshaji.
Thank you, Vashaji.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Ram, thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om.